kids, come sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. A is for anchor, strong and deep. A, keep, keep, keep. B is for bubble, float so light. B, bright, bright, bright. C is for comet, streak the sky. C, fly, fly, fly. D is for drum, boom and beat. D, feet. E is for engine, chug and go. E, go, go, go. F is for feather, soft and slow. F, blow, blow, blow. G is for guitar, strum a tune. G, soon, soon, soon. H is for honey, sweet and gold. H, hold. Jump and sing, spin around, letters make a happy sound. A, B, C, sing with me, happy sounds for you and me. I is for ice, cold and clear. I, cheer, cheer, cheer. J is for jungle, green and wide. J, ride, ride, ride. K is for key, turn the door. K, more, more, more. L is for lantern, glow at night. L, light, light, light. M is for monkey, swing and play. M, day, day, day. N is for nose, sniff the air. N, there. O is for orange, juicy treat. O, sweet, sweet, sweet. P is for pen, write a line. P, fine, fine, fine. Jump and sing, spin around, letters make a happy sound. A, B, C, sing with me, happy sounds for you and me. Q is for quack, duck says so. Q, go, go, go. R is for rocket, zoom the sky. R, high, high, high. S is for sun, warm and bright. S, light, light, light. T is for toy, fun to play. T, yay. U is for unicorn, magic bright. U, light, light, light. V is for volcano, rumble low. V, glow, glow, glow. W is for window, look outside. W, wide, wide, wide. X is for box, open wide. X, inside, inside. Y is for yak, stomp the ground. Y, sound, sound, sound. Z is for zebra, stripes so neat. Z, feet, sing the letters loud and free. A, B, C, sing with me. Clap your hands and shout hooray.